Hello, konnichiwa. This vlog is a bit unorthodox. Usually my vlogs are about me camping or hiking or doing anything outdoors. Well, while this is outdoors, it's a bit different. I've been working on preparing do-it-yourself DIY garden party, making tables and chairs, and benches and tables from scratch. This right here is the grand project. We built 2 of these big tables. I have yet to figure out how many people they can sit, but my estimate is at least 12 each, so 24 people in total. Then we made these benches, 4 of these. Wow, 4 of these benches. And we used some of these long planks or wood, you know, for a long bench, and then we made 2 other benches on the other side. Here we have a toilet, mostly used for the boys. Simple, minimalistic, but works. There's a beautiful river right here. Here we have a chilling space. These are mostly old trees from the garden that we have repurposed to serve as chairs and tables. This is a creation of mine, the 3-legged table. And the smoking area. These benches are actually my personal favorite. They are really lightweight and really cheap to make, but I do believe they will easily support 3 to even 4 people. Here we have the barbecues, and behind that, you see, barbecue and taco, we have the food tables here. These are all made from scraps, from old pieces of wood, trying to use everything that we can to make tables. And finally, this was also very important, to hang this huge fabric curtain all the way to the other side, just to make it more beautiful. And finally, number 2, we needed to make these handrails so that people do not fall down these impromptu stairs and hurt themselves.